how I make a hot chocolate. I first filled this up with milk, and then I fill this up with milk. A safer mug to do this. And then I put it to this machine and I forgot. All done, now it's hot. Now I have to put it in my mug that I want. Oh, that's a lot. I put the mug back. And then, I take out one of these bombs and then I put it in. Let me just show you. I add the bomb. I grab my spoon and I submerge. Wait until it explodes and you can see. I wait until it explodes and you can see the marshmallows. Almost done. Give it a few minutes, seconds. Submerge. It should make those bubbles because it did open. And when you see the marshmallows, start mixing. Or what I do. Oh my god, my marshmallow. Where's my marshmallow? Oh my god, I spilled my marshmallow. I'm still gonna put it in. Oh my god, there. Just keep on mixing. When you're done, make sure to get your spoon and get marshmallows and a marshmallow and some milk and try it. Make sure to lick the chocolate. That's good. And then I drink my hot chocolate. Good.